Alright guys, I don't have like a big area to film, so I'm taking out everything and then we'll discover it together. Okay, so this is what everything that the box had. It's gigantic, and this is what it looks like. This is the We Are Memory Keepers. First things first, download the Shotbox app. That's what it looks like. I'm so excited. Let's get started. So this is what it looks like. It is huge, and I don't have any camera person to assist me. That's how you just pick it up and go, I guess. Looks amazing. It's huge. And then this one is like the reversible floor. This one is white and black, and you insert it right there. That's legit. Okay. And then there's these things right here. Let me open it. So looks like here you can remove it because there's black and white. This one is the black one, and there's another white one provided for you in the set. So this one, the cost is $129, so $130 for this entire box. And there are add-ons, but this one is an anniversary present for my husband. So this one is black, and then you can get the white one also. Let's see the white one. This one is the white one right there, and then it reaches up to here, which is super cool. Love it. Now we have to figure out the lights. Again, so this is $130 regular price. I wouldn't get this for like no reason. It has to be like a birthday, something special, anniversary, because of the price point. But it's solid. I've had the Amazon one for like the $30 one for about a year and a half, and it's done a lot of good for me. But this one, you guys, if you look, you can put your phone on here and you can film. So you can film right there, and you can film your hand, you know what I mean? And we haven't even switched the lights on yet, but man, this is legit, and it's solid too. And then I also got the phone holder right here in the different color of background, so I'm going to show you that in a little bit. Okay, sorry about the poor quality of the filming. It's just I don't know how to film in my craft room because it's so huge. It's gigantic. Like, that's my entire table right there. And I thought my table was big enough. Anywho, let's check the lights. Okay, so in the box, you're provided this cord and a plug. You're going to plug it in the main power port. And then that provides your light source. I'm going to turn this around. Okay. It won't reach at this point, so I have to like partially put it on my table. And I left that there. So this is what it looks like without the lights on. And this is how you turn the light on. Right there. Look how big of a difference that is. So this is with a light on, and this is your regular room light with all the shadows and everything. So that's not really good for filming, is it? Yeah, that's your regular. This is how pretty. And they even have an anti-glare that is like a magnet that magnetizes to your lights, but I like it bright like this one, so I'm not gonna put that. It looks amazing. Here, let me put it a little bit further away. So this is what the entire box looks like. And those are the lights. And it looks awesome. And you can make it like not super. This one is no light. This one is you can slowly yank it up. And this is the brightest. Isn't that awesome? And this is what it looks like here. This is what it looks like in real life. But it looks amazing. Look. Let's put it up there. And that's what it looks like when being videoed. I want to show you guys the video attachment. I think that will be really, really good, especially for YouTubers like us. Okay, I'll be back with that one. This one is what we're gonna look like. This is like an arm attachment, and this is what it's going to look like. My goal is to be able to film in here. I have an Android, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but ultimately this is the goal, is to be able to do this and have like amazing background and lighting for the projects. So I'm gonna attach it and show you how it's done. Okay guys, so this is the accessory one, which is this one, the arm attachment, and it is amazing. This is what it's supposed to look like. You're supposed to put your phone there, and then you can start filming, right? Or take photos without really holding it. Or if you're doing a tutorial, it's perfect. But man, it's massive. All I did, this one I just plugged in the back, which is this one, because this is your main one. You plug it right here, and it tells you which one, where you go to. But look, this one, you see that? You just put it inside the square, and it just nestles magically, right? And then this one you can adjust if you want it like up top or whatever. And then you can put your tablet here because it opens up like this. I guess either a tablet or a phone, whichever you want. So in my case, let's see. So let's say I'm gonna put my phone here, and like I'm filming. So I just put my phone. I have two hands right here, and I can like do some stuff, you know, while there's lights. And then this side box, this side shot also have lights in itself. Look, I hope you can see it, but it has lights also. Sorry about my room. So that's what it looks like. It looks amazing. I'm going to put it, this is very exciting stuff. I'm going to leave the phone right there and not move it. And I'm gonna see if I can, oh, right there. So if I'm showing you without holding it, I can like film a video and show you this box, blah blah blah, this is what it looks like, it has a shaker, you know, that kind of stuff. And definitely this is amazing. That's pretty awesome. So I suggest, if you're gonna buy the shop box, buy the arm attachment, because it is worth it. This one is legit. It is legit. It has its own lights. It's perfect to be like the companion for your shop box. I love it. I love it. Let's check out the other backgrounds, okay? I got the backgrounds too. I'll show you. So guys, this is what I was telling you about the background pack. So I got both of the background packs that they have available. This one is the color, and this one is the photo reel one. So let's check out the photo reel one. I thought like, hey, this is an anniversary present. This is like 13 years of marriage. Might as well just go go to town and just go for it, right? Because if you're getting it anyway, might as well get the entire shebang. So these are the available floors. Like, just for example, if you want to shoot, like, this would be the floor, or this would be like the wall part. This would be the wall, and this would be your flooring. That would be super awesome. And I think this is super awesome. That's what it's gonna look like. We're gonna have a lot of good backgrounds for photos. That is awesome. Look at that. I think that's legit. Oh, I love this one. Just imagine, like, if you're putting your... Wouldn't that be super awesome? Or like the background, this would be the background of your project. I think it looks so good. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. This one is 30, I think this is $9.99, the photo box background. The arm was 30 bucks. This one is 10. But man, you have cement, which is awesome. You have this artsy thingy to highlight your stuff. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is an amazing purchase. So awesome. Cute to take photos. I love it. I'm so excited. So that's the photo reel. So you're supposed to, like, this is how they want you to use it. Like, one would be the background, one would be the floor. And this is what it's gonna look like. That looks amazing. That looks phenomenal, especially for like 3D projects. I am so excited. Hopefully this is gonna change. This is gonna change my photography game. Hopefully. And this one is just, you know, just the colors. No big deal, but this is what it's supposed to look like. I'm not going to show you every single color because it's already shown on here. So I am going to leave it. But man, this is absolutely amazing. This changes your entire game of photography. This changes your entire game of like taking photos and taking videos, maybe, hopefully. Like this, I love it. I thought it was smaller, but man, it looks massive in real life. I just couldn't put the entire box on my table because my camera holder that's holding this phone is attached, and it has a long arm on it. So, but man, this is an amazing. I definitely would recommend this shot box. For sure. I think it's worth it, but it has to be, it's kind of a splurge. It's a lot of money. It is a lot of money. No joke. But if you're celebrating something like an accomplishment, or I'm trying to put it, or like an accomplishment or something like a celebration, this probably would be a good gift. Especially if you're taking a lot of photos. I'm so excited. Sorry about the quality of this video, you guys. My setup in my craft room is not the best when it comes to like big bulky stuff like this. But I really wanted to show you guys because I think this is a good buy. I would recommend buying this because last week it was $99. It wasn't $129. It was on sale. So watch out for the sale just in case, because it might go on sale. And I think this one would accommodate your iPhone or your iPad if you're doing a live or something. But anywho, I'm gonna use my phone. I use my phone in everything anyways. But man, this is super cool. And this one plugs to the back right there. So your only one that needs to be plugged in the main one is this one. So I think that is so cool. I think that is super cool. You just have to detach this one, switch it off, and then take this out. Look how cool that is. It has its own light source. And then you fold it. And also it comes with its own bag. That's pretty cool, I think. It comes in its own like photo bag. Like the shot box bag where it, you know, this fits everything, which is perfect for storage. I love that. Anyways, so my thoughts are, I love it. I recommend it if you have some extra money with you, or if you're celebrating something and you want something for yourself. I think it's an awesome anniversary present. Thanks, Jules. But I love it, and I definitely recommend it, you guys. I think this is gonna change your photography game or your video game, like your video performance. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I know this is a long drawn video, but thank you so much for listening. And I'm going to put a link down below for it, for the shop box and accessories and everything for you, just in case you're interested and you want to dabble and look. All right. Thanks, you guys. This is Christian signing off. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye.